Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Thank you so much for watching today's presentation. Before I begin, I would like to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Mezzaluna Adisti and I am in the 11th grade at Cibitung 1 Vocational High School. Today I am going to talk about digital student saving website. In this presentation, there are 7 points that I will be covering. Now that you are aware of the overview, let's begin with the first slide. If you look at this slide, we can see that many schools still use manual notebooks to record student savings. This often causes problems like missing records, unclear balance, and calculation errors. Because of these issues, a modern digital system is needed to make everything safer and more organized. I'd now like to move on to the next slide. If you look at this slide, we can see that the purpose of this website is to help students monitor their savings easily. It teaches students how to manage money and support schools in keeping their data structured. I'd now like to move on to the next slide. If you look at this slide, we can see that the solution is a complete digital saving platform. Students can log in, view their balance and saving, withdraw money, and see their transaction history. This makes the process faster and greatly reduce errors. I'd now like to move on to the next slide. If you look at this slide, we can see that this website has several features that support a complete digital saving system. Let me explain each feature clearly. First, we have the register page. New users create an account by entering their name, username, and password. This makes sure every user has their own account. Second is the login page. Users enter their username and password to open the system. This keeps the app safe and secure. After logging in, users go to the dashboard. The dashboard shows the total balance, total withdrawals, number of transactions, and the last transaction. There are also quick buttons like deposit, withdraw, and view history. This helps users see their savings right away. Next is the deposit page. Here, users can add money to their savings. They fill in the amount and a short note. The balance will increase after the deposit. Then, we have the withdraw page. Users can take money from their savings. They enter the amount and a note. Every withdrawal is saved in the system. After that, there is the history page. This page shows all post-transaction, both deposit and withdrawals. If there are no transactions, the page will show a message. Users can easily check what they have done before. The last one is the profile page. Users can update their name or username. This keeps their information correct and up to date. All these features make the saving system easy, clear, and helpful for every user. I'd now like to move on to the next slide. If you look at this slide, we can see that the development process includes identifying problem in the manual system, creating a user-friendly design, building each feature, connecting it to the database, and testing everything to ensure it works properly. I'd now like to move on to the next slide. If you look at this slide, we can see that this system provides many benefits. Students can check their savings anytime. Teachers no longer need to manage many notebooks. Data becomes safer, more organized, and easier to track. I'd now like to move on to the next slide. If you look at this slide, we can see that this digital saving system helps schools move from manual methods to a modern, efficient platform. It makes saving easier, more transparent, and more reliable for students. I hope that everything is clear here. That brings you to the end of the presentation, and I'd like to summarize By saying the digital student saying system makes saving easier and safer for students, it records balance and transaction automatically so everything stays organized. Teachers can monitor data without doing manual notes. Overall, this system helps build good saving habits at school. I hope you found my presentation helpful and informative. Thank you.